Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at getting Canva Pro for free with Canva Education for teachers, for students. So we start with typing Canva for Education. Canva for Education, then you click on it. Now you click on that Canva for Education 100% free. Okay, waiting for it to load. Okay, then here you pick teachers, get verified, click on that. Because we are dealing with teachers here. Okay, then you continue with Google or pick any of the options you want. Choose an account to continue with. If you have a school account, you can use it. Maybe your work email. Click on continue. Okay, then you can accept all cookies to make it easier. Good. Now pick your country. Enter your school email. If you don't have one, enter your own email, then click on continue. Now to get verified, you have to upload any of the documents you selected. Now see what you have to upload. Pick anyone that you have, your payslip, letter of employment, anyone that you have, pick it. Then you try and upload it. You can choose a file. You can use camera, or you can upload it if you have it on your phone. So that's about it. Very simple and easily accessible. Actually, it can, after that, after you've uploaded everything, it can take you up to 3 days. They'll get back to you and you see your pro there. Very simple. Thank you for watching.